Today, I'm going to explain how to make a to-do list with React. I'm going to show you the result of this program. If you look at the screen, you can type in the list that you want to type in. For example, if I type the word homework here, the word homework is printed out. And if I type in workout, I can see that workout is printed out. After that, you can delete or modify the information you entered, which can be modified as followed. Now, let me explain the code for this program. This React program is based on app.js. You can see that in the top line, it's called import. It's about fetching information from other files. So I'm going to import the to-do list components and put the to-do list components in the return. So I'm going to talk about the components that have a to-do list. The composition of the components is as follows. The to-do list collected the to-do data and the to-do form components draw the function that manipulate the to-do data. The to-do components receive the to-do data and render the HTML that makes the to-do list. You can see that many things have been imported from the to-do list.js file. The to-do and to-do form below imported from JS file as mentioned earlier. However, you need to check the use state at the beginning. First of all, if you check the part where use state is used in the code below, it is used in the const to-do list function. And in the code const to-dos, a set to-do equal use state is used. And this is how to declare the use state variable. If you look closely, you enter a value for what to do in the input tag to create a to-do list. Then the event is executed as a state of value changed. In other words, every time the state changes, something is executed and the use state is used. The next function is to add a new to-do. When you look at this function, you check whether the to-do is empty or blank. Then you create a new to-do list. Next is the function to delete to-do based on ID. Use a method to create a new filter array, except for the specified to-do and then updated the status. Then, as with the update and remove functions, as this function that makes change based on ID, we check the new value. This method is used to create a new array as an update to do and is called it to update the set to do status. If you look at the return value afterward, you will use the to do form on submit to pass it to the function pro that added thing to the form component. And to-do components deliver to-do data, remove function, update function, and complete function to profs. Now let's take a look at the to-do form, where the const to-do function is a key value and the submit function is a key value in the object. Here, to store the value entered in the input variable is generating using the use state. If you look at the const handle submit at the bottom, press on submit execute a function from the parent component, which then passes the value of the factor to the parent component, example ID or text. And the set input at the bottom initialize the input value, making the text in the tag input value equal input. is disappear. Subsequent other key value from the value received improves, and the code is executed according to the value of true or false of edit. So to the component applies to the data. The remove function, the edit function, and complete function. And the FCSS is construct the color gamut that appear on the screen.